In this video course, learn Adobe Express. Learn to edit images and add effects, elements, other images, video, audio to an already created image. With that, perform operations on images and easily crop, rotate, scale and flip pictures. Add text to the image, and the text templates provided by Adobe Express gives you tons of free fonts to apply directly to the text. In this course, we have covered the following lessons with live running examples. Let us start with the first lesson. In this video, we will learn what is Adobe Express, its overview and features. Let's see. Adobe Express is basically an image editor that allows you to edit images easily. Okay, it is having a lot of adjustments and correction options so that you can easily fix your images. After fixing the images, you can easily download them in different formats such as JPEG, PNG, PDF and others. With that, you can also easily directly share it on social media platforms. Okay, so let us see the features. Easily work around creating collages, flyers, infographics, YouTube thumbnails, even for your social media. You can easily create your Facebook cover photos, your LinkedIn cover images. You don't need to work around the size. It automatically provides you the size. You just need to do the changes. I'll show all these later. You can easily create logos, and if you want to create an invitation for birthdays or you want to create a card, you can easily do it with Adobe Express. You just need to sign up using your email ID or even your social media account like Facebook. Easily add images, crop the image, rotate the image easily. You can also flip the image, that is mirror the image. Okay, if you want to add a text to image, you can easily add it. Borders, yes, you can easily do that. Let's say you have a profile photo, you want to change the background of your photo, you want to add different colors or gradients or the mix of colors, that is dual colors, you can easily add it. With that, if you want to sharpen your image, improve the saturation, work around the shadow, brightness, you can easily do that with Adobe Express. In this video, we will learn how we can easily sign up and log into Adobe Express. Let's go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. On Google, type Adobe Express and press enter. On pressing enter, you need to go to the official website. Here it is, adobe.com/express. Click on it. Here it is completely free. Let's click on get Adobe Express free. Now it is asking us to sign up for free using Google, Facebook, Apple or email ID. I'll directly go for Google. Click continue with Google. Click on your Gmail ID to log in. Now verify your identity. Now add the verification code you must have received on your email ID. Please check. We added it. Adobe account connected. Click OK. Now you can read the terms and click agree and continue. Click let's go. Herein you can see we have created our account on Adobe Express for free. In this video we will learn how we can begin with Adobe Express and upload our first pic. So you will reach here. Okay, so you will reach here directly when you log in home page. Okay, click start from your content and upload your photo. Let's say I'll click on this, create new. Okay, you can select the option here what you want. You want to convert it into a flyer, Instagram story, logo, okay, or a custom size. Its size is the following, so it will create the same. Create new project. Here it is. Okay, we have added it successfully. We can easily drag it here Okay, we can easily download it, okay, directly. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily begin with Adobe Express and upload our first photo. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will see how we can add the title to our image in Adobe Express. So here in two titles are visible, the first one here, second here. The title for the entire section, that is all the pages here, is the following. So you can set it as Amit images. Within that we can add multiple images here and set the titles. Okay, you can set it sample 1. In the same way you can add it for other pages. If you want to add a page, you can add a page here, same page, same size. Now you can add sample 2. So this is very important. If you want to reach the following, the first one, click here. Okay, in this way you can easily work around pages. Easily set title for your image in Adobe Photoshop Express. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can easily zoom in or zoom out our image from the Adobe Express. So here is our image. Okay, this is the entire area and we added the following image. Okay, if you want to zoom it, so just go here. It's 13, you can go for 25. Here it is, we have easily zoomed it. Okay, if you want to reduce the size, you can just go to 10 here. Okay, you can also use the keys, let's say Control plus equal to for zooming in. Let us do that. You can see I just did that and I just zoomed in. For zoom out, it's 100%. You can go for 75, 50 here directly, or you can use Control plus minus. So let me do that. The key is Control and minus. Look, I am doing that and I'm back with the same. So you can easily go for these options and zoom in and zoom out. So guys, in this video we saw how we can zoom in and zoom out our image in Adobe Photoshop Express editor. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will see how we can crop a photo on Adobe Express. We uploaded our first pic. Keep the mouse cursor here and now you have the crop option. Click crop. Okay, you can crop it in the following. You can crop it for a story, widescreen, landscape, okay, or any shape also. I'll click here, let's say, and it will be visible like this. Okay. Or you can go for the following shape. It will be visible like this. Okay. You can also adjust it from here and press enter. You can also rotate it and scale it from here. I kept the mouse cursor here, I pressed it and it is visible here like this. If you will press Ctrl Z, the same will be visible. Okay, Ctrl Z again, or you can reset it from here for the original image. In this video we will learn how we can easily align an image. So we open the following image in Adobe Express. It is center aligned right now. If you want to change the alignment, just click on align, that's it. If you want to align it on the top, that is here. Select and click on top. We have aligned it. For bottom, select it and click on bottom. Okay, so for middle, here it is. For aligning it to the left on the page, here it is. For right align, here it is. For center, here it is. Okay, so in this way we can easily align our image in a page. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can easily rotate an image in Adobe Express. So the following was our image. If you want to rotate it, you just need to use the following. I'll just drag it. You can see the degrees are visible. It gets rotated by, it is now 5-degree rotated. Okay, I'll keep the cursor and the same is visible. So I have rotated it to 76. Okay, in the same way you can use this. Okay, here it is. Just keep the cursor and it will get implemented. But in our case, we don't need to rotate it. So I'll just keep it here again and it is fine. So this is how you can easily rotate your image. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how to scale an image in Adobe Express. So the following was our image, okay, with the white background. If you want to scale it up or down, we just need to use the mouse. So I'll just scale it up and here it is. If I want to scale it up from here, I can do this. Also, if I want to scale it down, I just need to use the following or this or this. I'll just scale it again. Here it is. That's it. Guys, in this video, we saw how we can easily scale an image in Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily flip an image. Flipping an image means to mirror an image. We have the following image right now. Okay, if you want to mirror the image, when you will select the image on the left itself, you will be getting the flip horizontal and flip vertical option. This is the mirror. I'll just click on it. You can now see the changes here. I'll click on it again and it is back. Now let us flip vertical. Here it is. That's a similar image. That is a similar mirror image, you can say. I'll just click it here again and that's it. So in this way, we can easily mirror an image using these options. Flip horizontal and flip vertical. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can add text to an image. So right now we have an image. Within that, we have the following. We just need to add a text here. Let's say I'll be adding a text here. I'll keep the image here. I'll add a text. Okay, add your text. You can select the basic text, add your text, click here and here and select it, drag it here and mention webinar. Let's say I added this. So by selecting this, I'll be getting some options to change the font. Okay. Click on more fonts and here it is. Some of the fonts, free fonts are available here. Okay, you can change it from here. Let's say the following are the premium ones. Okay. So we only have a, let's say I can select this. Okay, so these are the templates. Let's say the following or the following webinar. From here in you can select if you want it to be bold, italic, semi bold. Okay, I'll be doing it regular. I need to select it. You can see I need to select it. Then I'll go for regular. Now it's fine. It's not bold. Now you can you can set the font. Since our complete image is really huge, so the font is quite 273. No problem. You can align it from here, align the text. Or if you want to add a bullet list for the text, you can add it from here. Text spacing. Okay. Less opacity, outline thickness. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just keep the cursor here and add another text. Click on cross. Add your text. Okay. So this is our text. I'll just mention Python for data science. Okay. Let's say my webinar, I conducted this once, but the font is too. So I'll just select it and mention it. Let's say, okay, or let's say I'll just manually 110, press enter. That's it. Webinar, Python for data science. Okay, so the alignment is center. Let me change it to left. You can see it is fine now. Okay, and I can also set it to bold. Okay, but I'll keep it as it is. Italic underline, you can do that. Underline. underline, and the formats are visible, you can use them. I'll change it. Rest keep as it is. So we have changed the text. In this way you can easily add text to an image in Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can add the text templates. So in the previous video we added the text, the following text, heading and a basic line. So I'll go to text and I'll be using the free templates. Here it is. Okay, I'll just click here and you can see the template is visible here. I can shorten this and add it accordingly. Just click on it and just change the text and use it. Okay, and also change the bold. Now I'll just delete it by pressing the delete on the keyboard. Now view all and we will check all the templates. If the following is visible, this is premium. So I'll be using the free ones. Okay. Here it is. If you want to add a movie night, let's say template, sale template, you can select this. Let's say webinar is for 2 hours webinar. We are providing for a less price. We can set it here directly. So this is a template. We can also rotate it easily. Okay, so this is fine. We can set the price here easily, or we can also use all these formats. You can see these are completely free. You can use them easily. Go to back. So social is also visible, logos are also visible, some are paid, some are free. Paragraphs are visible, direct phrases are visible here. You can use them in a similar way. Let's say another example, social. You can select them, let's say subscribe to us. Here it is. Just drag it here. Okay. We can change it. I just double clicked on it. Join us. Okay. This is just an example. And again, I'll just let's say I'll just add another text. I'll select it, double click, select. I'll add a font. Recommended, I clicked on it. Here it is. I'll select this and this is fine. Let me reduce the font by selecting, going to back, selecting this. Now changing the font from here. 150, press enter. This is fine. $10 sale for the webinar. That's it. Join us. Okay, so this is the basic example. So in this way we can easily add text and text templates to our image. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can add elements to our image in Adobe Express. So here is our image. Okay, to add elements, on the left click on elements. Now let's see what all elements are visible. Here it is. Okay, design assets, backgrounds. Let's say I'll go for a design assets, brushes, elements. You can change the frames. These are the paid ones with a sign, and these are the free ones. Okay, illustrations are visible. Overlays are visible. Let's say I'll select the following. I'll just click here. I'll just add it here. Okay, or click on the following elements. Or you can see 3D abstract. You can see all the elements are visible here. We can use any of them. Okay, easily just click on it. Just click on the free ones, let's say, and we can add it here. Okay, or let's say I want to add a calendar. I'll just search and press enter. Free ones would be visible also, and paid ones. Select this and click on it. So this is, I'll just drag it here and I'll just mention the date and time here for my webinar. Okay, now to add it, since I've added an element easily, I'll just click on cross and click on text. We have seen this before. Add your text. Okay, I'll just add 6 p.m. date 1st September. Okay, I'll just select it and change the font 100. Now I'll just select it. I selected it and I'll just change the font 100 and press enter. Here it is, 6 p.m. Drag it. Okay, I'll write it here again, 6 p.m. I'll select it and change the font again. Let's say 96. This looks fine. I'll just remove this. For September. Okay, we can change it. Here are the recommended formats. This looks fine. Okay, 72. Okay, this looks fine. That's it. That's it. We can easily add an element. In this video, we will learn how we can easily add icons to our image in Adobe Express. To add icons, that is elements, click here. Now here in directly type icon and press enter. You can see all the icons are visible. Let's say I want to add the following icon. Just for the sake of our example, I'll keep it here. I'll just drag it here and the text also. That's it. In this way, you can add other icons also. These are the free ones. If the following sign is visible, that means it's a paid one. In this way, you can easily search from the library of icons easily. Okay, so in this video, we saw how we can easily add an icon to our image. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can add shapes to our image in Adobe Express. So here is our image. To add a shape, that is an element. Click on elements. Now you can see the elements are visible. All the elements, shapes are visible. If you are unable to find a shape here, you can just type circle. Let's say you want a circle shape. You'll find it here, different types of circles. Or you can, let's say, search for rectangle. So it will give you all the rectangular shapes and templates. You can use them easily. So I'll just close this and click on shapes here directly. You can see circles, rectangles, they have divided it. Frames also, geometric also. Okay, all the speech bubbles are also visible. All the shapes are visible. I click here and here are the shapes. Okay, here and I can just click here and this is the following visible here. I'll just let's say rotate it. Again, I'll just flip it. Here it is. Okay. Okay. So click on text to add a text here directly. Add a text. Okay. I'll just add wanna learn Python. Okay. Control A, select all. Reduce the font to let's say 75. Now drag it select it, click here. These are the different suggested fonts. Click dynamic, which is fine now. So this is correct. Now it's not visible, so I'll just select Ctrl A and change the font. Fill, click fill. Let's say white color. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, wanna learn Python? So this is how you can add a shape to your image. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily set the brightness of an image in Adobe Express. For that, let's say I want to set the brightness for the following image. So click here. Now go below, click adjustments. Herein you can see the brightness is visible. I'll just increase it and you can see increased. If you want, you can decrease it. Let's say it was 0, right? I'll just set it to 6, let's say, which is fine. Just click here and it will get implemented. So in this way we can easily set brightness. In this video we will learn how we can set the contrast of an image in Adobe Express. Let's say we want to change the contrast of the following image. Click on it. Now you will be getting the options. Go below, click on adjustments. Now here, and when you'll go above, you can see the contrast is visible. It's 0, that is on break even. I'll just change it. You can see the difference, or I can decrease it. Let's say I'll just change it to 8, which is fine. I'll keep the cursor here and it will get implemented. So in this way we can easily change the contrast of our image in Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can set the effects on our image in Adobe Express. For that, let's say we want for the following image. For that, you can see the image section is visible. Go below, click on effects. That's it. When you click on effects, you can see the difference. The current one is the none one, the basic none. If you want a grayscale effect, click on grayscale and it will change. Darken, the same. Tint or colorize, you can change it. Dual tone is visible. That is duotone. You can change it to this, or this looks good, or the black and white theme is the following. You can change it here, and to implement it, I'll just keep this here. You just need to keep the cursor here. That's it. It will get updated. If you want to go to the same effect, click on it. Click on effects. Click on none. The same one will be visible here. So in this way we can easily set effects using the following option. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can change the color theme in Adobe Express. The following is our image. For the color theme, keep the cursor here and the theme will be visible. Click on it. So we will see what is the actual meaning of a theme. The theme would be meaning that the entire section will get changed, will get updated. I'll show an example. Let's say I'll click on the first one and you can see the entire theme updated. I'll click on the following. Below one, you can see the name: bold, classic, professional, pastel, color pop, modern. Let's say I'll go for the following modern, and it changed completely. It got updated completely. I'll go for the following. You can see updated again, and here it is. You can just update it and you can see this still looks fine. No, not this. You can just click on it here and again, or you can directly click on the complete section, view all, and just select. I guess more than 100 options are available. You can change it and check which one is fine. So you don't need to change it manually, the complete theme. You can just select the options. If you want to go to the first option, just type Ctrl Z and all the options I just saw is visible. I am just typing it again and again. Here it is. I am back with the same one. So this is how you can set the color theme for your entire image. Page theme, you can also search it from here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can set the color theme of our image. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily change the background color of our image. So herein we have the white background basic. How we can change it? Directly an option is visible. Click on background color. Here it is, the options are visible. Okay, if I'll click on the following, let's say this one, it will change the color. This one, it will change the color again, but this is more suitable. If you want to set the custom, you can just select the button from here. You can see this is an amazing option. You can just keep the cursor here and the same color will get implemented. Okay, so this is the transparent percentage. How transparent do you want it? I'll just set it here and I'll just keep this. Okay, we can go to the swatches again and you can click on more colors and different options are visible. You don't need to select it. You don't need to manually do it, just click on it. Here it is. White is back. You can set it to the following. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the background color of our image. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can add media to our image. So we can easily add an image which is provided by Adobe Express itself, or we can also upload our own image. Let's see how. Here is our image. Click media. To add an image, the option is already by default selected, the first one. You can search the photos from here. Okay, or you can directly take these photos. I'll just give an example. I'll just search learn, press enter. Let's see what is visible. Practice is how you learn. Or I can take any image, for example. Here it is. Let's say this one, never stop learning. You can just take this and drag and drop here. Okay. If you want to remove it, just click on the delete button or right click and click on delete. If you want to send this backward, just click on send backwards. And you can see it is now backward. We have the front image here. Bring to front. I'll just click on the following and it is now backward. Okay. I'll just drag it. I'm just giving a simple example how to set it. You can see it is now backward because we selected the backward option. Okay. If you don't want to use it, right click and click delete. In this way you can easily add an image. So let's say I want to upload an image. I'll click on upload from device. I'll search for, I wanted the Python logo, Python programming language logo. Here it is. Added. Okay. I want to drag, I want a smaller one. So I'll just click here. Webinar on Python for data science. I'll just select all and just drag everything here. I'll just select all and drag. Here it is. I'm dragging. This looks fine now. Okay, in this way we added an image, external image. We can also do the setting for images which we saw in previous videos like this. So in this way guys, we can easily add media, add an image to our already created image in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can easily add a media, that is a video, in our already created image in Adobe Express. So here is our image. To add media, click media. Herein we wanted video, so I clicked on it. Now you can see you can use the following videos. I'll just click on any one of them. Let's say the following I'll click. I'll just add it here. I've added it. Okay, so let's say you want a video of this. So instead of an image, it will create a video. That is, let's say you want to add video here. You can easily add it. Later on you can download it and share it on social media. If you want to trim it, you can just pause it. Okay, and you can just drag it just like we do on reels. That's it. Now only a video for less than 10 seconds will be visible. That's it. When you keep the cursor here, it will save. Okay, if you want to delete, right click and click delete. That's it. It will get deleted. Okay, now let's say want to search a video. Learn, I'll press enter. Let's say what is visible for learn videos. Here it is visible. Instead of my image, we could have used the following image. I'll delete this. Let's say I'll just add it here. This is the premium one. You won't be able to download the entire for free. 50%. Now you can see it is visible. Here it is. It is playing, you can see. I'll set it to 25 and I'll just delete it. Right click. I'll be back with 10%, let's say, or 15%. So this was a paid one because the following is visible. If the following icon is visible, that means this is the paid one. Let's say I'll go for the free one. This is free. Let's say we want to show people that they can study like this. Okay, this is fine. Now I'll just click on it and we can directly download and share this on our social media also. Okay, I'll pause it. You can edit the timeline by clicking here, and you can, if you want, you can just walk around like reels and decrease the time. It's fine now. It's fine now. Play it and it will get played here. In this way, guys, you can easily add video to your images. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily download our image. To download, click on download here and select the format. Since we added a video before, for an example, it is showing the following option, but I'll go for PNG and click on download, gathering downloads, and it will download now. Here it is downloaded. You can see the name of the image also, Untitled. Right click and open. Here it is visible. Okay. Or I'll go to right click and show in folder. Okay, so I'll right click, open with photos. You can see it is visible here. Okay. In this way we can easily download it. You can see the file size, file name is Untitled. Okay, so obviously we don't want the same. I'll do this webinar Amit Diwan, or Python webinar. This will be the name of the file image. Okay, now I'll click on download and you can see the difference. Same download, PNG download, and now you can see the name of the image. We saved it as the title, not the following, so I'll just change it here. Python webinar Amit Diwan. Okay, so this is the page 1. This is page 1. Let me change it to Python webinar 1. We can add more pages here. I'll just download it and let's now see what is visible. Click download. Right click and you can see the name of the image is different, Python webinar. Right click and show in folder. Here it is. Okay, here it is. So guys, in this way we can easily download our image in PNG format. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how to download the image as PDF. So here is our image. We set the title. This is the page title. The actual title is the following. We changed it. Now click download. Now you can see file formats. We want PDF. It is also showing MP4 because we added a video before just for explaining. So it is, the video is visible, but we want PDF. I'll click and click on download. Now the name of the PDF would be the following, Python webinar. It is saving. We downloaded it, click here. Here it is, PDF. Right click and click open. Now our PDF is visible. You can see format is PDF. So in this way guys, we can easily download our image as PDF. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily create a flyer quickly using Adobe Express. Okay, so you can directly search flyers here by selecting templates from here, or you can go below after logging to your Express, Adobe Express. When you'll go below, popular templates would be visible. You can select flyers from here, okay, directly, and you can click any of them. Let's say I'll click here. Okay, so it directly created this. This is for free because there is no logo sign premium visible. Okay, so I'll directly do changes here. How, let's say I'll go for the Lodi festival since I'm from India. So I'll change it to Lodi because I'm from India. So there is a festival. I'll just delete it by just right clicking and deleting it. Okay, now the date, I just clicked on it using the mouse and I'll just type 13, or yes, this is fine, January. So Lodi is celebrated on 13 January every year. I'll just select it and drag it. Now it is center aligned. Okay, now it is center aligned. Now live music, which is fine, festive food, which is fine. I'll just change it to dance. Okay, so celebration starts at it's in the evening, so I'll just change it to 19 that is 7 p.m. and I'll just delete this is not required. I'll just select and right click delete. That's it. I'll just select it again. Okay, right click and delete. I don't need this. I'll change the title, Lodi celebration, so that I'll keep the record. Now this festival is related to fire. Okay, it's fire. So what I'll do, I'll just go to media and search for images fire, press enter. I'll use this, or I can directly search for Lodi, but I'll use this, let's say. Okay, I'm just showing a random example. I just dragged it using the mouse and that's it. Here it is. I can remove this. I'll just right click and remove this. Okay, now it looks fine. Okay, now I can just download this in PNG format. I'll click download, starting download. Here it is. Now I'll just right click and show in folder. Here it is. Now here it is. Now I'll just open it, double click. Here it is. You can see I just did the changes. I just added the name, live music, festive food, dance. That's it. I can share it with anyone else. You can check the size also. I just created a basic flyer, so you can also take a printout of it. Okay, here and you can see there is something which is visible. I'll just delete it using the delete key, or you can add it. I am just giving an example. You can use other images also for your festival, or you can easily create a flyer from it. Simple. So guys, in this video we saw how we can create a flyer quickly using a template in Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can create a poster using a template on Adobe Express. It's very easy. Just log in and go below. Here are the templates. Click view all. Here are all the templates visible. I want the templates. I'll go for popular templates, and herein I need poster. Here it is. Click here. Let's say I want a poster for Raksha Bandhan, Indian festival, wherein the sister ties a band on brother's wrist. So I'll just let you know the changes. Okay, let us delete this. Right click, delete. I'll just drag it using the mouse here. Okay, now if you want to change the background color, select this and change the select keep the cursor here, click the background color and change it. Let's say I'll do it the following. Okay, now if you want to change the following color or the font, you can just click here. Okay, or you can click here. Okay, now let's say I'll just want to drag the image. I'll just select and drag it, and rest of the them I'll drag it again. Okay, let's say I'll just remove the address. I'll just type West Delhi, Delhi Hut. Okay, Pritampura. Okay, Delhi Hut, Pritampura. I'll just add the date, 3rd September, 5 p.m. Okay, now you can also add some more stuff, but this is fine. So you can quickly create any poster. We have discussed all the elements before. Okay, so we have saved it. We can now download it in PNG format. Here it is. Right click, show in folder or directly open. Here it is. You can see Delhi Hut Pitampura. We can now easily change the background or the color and stuff other things. So we just quickly created our first poster. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily create a YouTube thumbnail with Adobe Express. We'll be using the free templates. The YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720. How we can create it? I'll just type YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Here it is. You can see they are already having templates. The following are free and the one with the premium sign is paid, obviously. So we'll be focusing on the free one only. Okay. Here it is. Click on any one of them which is a free one without the premium link. Let's say I'll click here. Okay, now I'm having a template. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just first name it to Python tutorial. Let's say I'm creating a thumbnail for my Python tutorial. Okay, let me change this to English. I just double clicked and typed English. Okay, that means the video is in English because my tutorials are in English as well as Hindi language. Okay, so I'll just double click here. Okay, we are having three different layers. I'll type Python for beginners. Okay, the size increase. So what I'll do, I'll just select and reduce the size. How? By this 202. I'll go for 144. It's fine now. Okay, Python for beginners. I'll just drag it below. This looks fine. Or I'll just double click here. Learn in 5 hours. Okay. Reduce the size. Select this and reduce it. 48. It's fine now. I'll select it and use a more professional one. This or this. beginners, let us keep like this. We are having a background image also. Let me drag this here. I'll remove this. Simple. Using the delete key, which is fine. Python for beginners. Let me reduce the size for beginners. Select this. I'll change it to 96. Okay. Now I'll just right click and delete this. I'll add my image. Okay, so this is not having any background. We can remove this. Take this here. I'll just keep it here. I'll just keep it here and drag. I can just keep it here. This looks fine. What we can do, we can just add this here. Okay. This looks fine now. We created easily. But I'm not liking the background. No problem. Select the background. Click on background color and let us change it. Custom. Okay, let's see if I can change the background completely, not the color only. Adjustment, let's see, effects. Okay, here it is. Click custom. Okay, shadows and highlights. Different colors are visible. Okay, what if I delete it? Right click and delete. The background is deleted, is now vanished. Just select this and select the background color and change it. We can also go for white or a dark color. Okay, how about this? I'll just drag it here. This looks fine. Okay, so through this you can easily create your first. I'll delete this or I'll keep it here. So through this you can easily create your first YouTube thumbnail using Adobe Express. Okay, you can download this. Let's see how it is visible. Open Python tutorial. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily create Facebook cover photo on Adobe Express. So it's quite easy. After opening, you can directly search here under all, or you can select the templates. Search here Facebook cover. It's here profile cover. Here it is. The following one are paid ones, premium, but the rest are free. Okay, so some great options are visible here. Let's say I'll select this. So the template is visible. You just need to do the changes. Okay, here it is. Okay, now I'll select this and click on delete. This will delete it and we can now edit it. Select and courses. Press Ctrl A, select it and reduce the size. 70. Okay, courses. Now I'll just remove the door. Okay, I'll select this and type the name of our website, Studiopedia. Select it and let's say I'll go for 48, 60. Studiopedia store. I'll just remove these are not required using the delete key. That's it. Courses, Studiopedia store. Okay, I'll just drag this here or I'll just remove it. Okay, now I'm using the keys, upward keys for this upward, for this downwards. This looks fine. Now I'll just go to media and upload my images. Okay, I'll go for the PNG image. Let's say Python, because we are providing Python course. Okay, now another image, media, upload from device, Java. Our top courses are in Python Java. Here it is, Java logo. And last one I'll be going for is SQL or MySQL. Media, upload from device. Let's say MySQL. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, just use it to drag and paste it here. I'll just reduce the size 75. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, I'll just reduce the size using the mouse. Okay, this looks fine. So we created our Facebook cover photo. You can change the name, FB cover photo, Studiopedia. If you want to add more pages also, you can add the specific title for this page. Okay, so you can just click on download now. By adding the name of the image, the downloaded file will have the same name with some limited characters. Right click, open, and here it is. We created our first basic cover photo for Facebook, the same size. Thank you for watching the video. In this video, we will learn how we can easily create a resume on Adobe Express using the templates. Just open it and type resume here. It will show you the template section. Click on it. Here it is, the template section. Just click on any one of them. Okay. A lot of them are available for free. This looks more professional to me. I'll just add it. I'll just increase the size. Firstly, I'll just remove the image. Right click, remove. I'll add my image. I guess I added it before. It's under media. Or if you don't know how to upload from device, Amit. I selected this. Just add it here. Okay. Name. Let me add any name. Okay. What should I add it here? I'm an entrepreneur, but I'll just add it consultant. Okay, rest you can do the changes easily. My website studiopedia.com. Phone number, you can change your number here. Okay, you can change to 25%. You can add your profile here. Okay, and other things. If you want to change the format, just click here and you can see the recommended options are visible. But you want a professional font, keep it as it is. Just add your text here by selecting and by just adding it. IMO, you can mention it. You can add your education also easily below and skills. After that, we will check it here. You can see. Okay, and add it, resume. You can change the pic. I have shown you how to change the pic. In the same way, you can change the objective from here. Okay, you can select them one by one, and these are the layers. You can select them one by one and do the changes. Let me download this PNG, or you can also go for PDF. I'll show you, because generally PDFs are sent for resumes. Right click and open. Here it is. You can do the changes easily and just extract it here. That's it. Want PDF, click here and PDF. Okay, download. So you have your resume in PDF now from Adobe Express. resume.pdf, open, and here it is, your PDF file is visible here. Okay. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily create a resume on Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video. In this video we will learn how we can easily create a logo on Adobe Express using the templates. So on opening, just type logo here and press enter, or click here. The size is 500 by 500 because we are showing a template. These are the premium ones, paid ones. If this is not visible icon, that means it is free. Like this is free, this is also free. Okay, I'll just quickly create it. Click here. Okay, so here it is. I'll just name it. I'll just double click here and type Studiopedia. Here it is. I'll now type, the slogan is never stop learning, but it will exceed the size, no problem. I'll just select it, Control A, and resize it. Okay, this looks fine. It's great. I'll just remove this, right click and delete, and I'll add an icon. Add an icon. How to find an icon? Click on elements, go here and type icons, and herein I'll type study, let's say, because it's a study website, my website. Okay, this looks great. Or a book directly. This is fine. Fill black. This looks fine. Okay, this looks fine now. Or we can select this and check the color. Which color is this? Okay, this is the color. Right click, copy. Now I'll go here, select this, and I'll go for fill, custom, and I'll just right click and paste it. Press enter. Now the color is same. Here it is. So our logo is ready. Just click on download and click on download. We have downloaded it in PNG format. We forgot the name. Type Studiopedia logo. Sorry. Okay, now I'll download it again. PNG, you can use any format, but PNG is fine for logos. Herein, right click and click open. Here it is. We have our logo here. We quickly created it using a template on Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video.